So Gemma is here with me. Great to see you, Gemma.
Oh, it's lovely to be with you.
Welcome back. Gemma, of course, who works very closely with Shark and has done for many years. So this is item number 742818. It's the Shark Matrix Plus 2-in-1, self-empty, robot vacuum and mop. £399.96, easy payments, and you're saving £100 compared to going directly to Shark. Gemma, as we see in this video, talk us through what we're seeing.
Well, we're seeing a system now that will give you back the biggest gift, your time. It's going to vacuum and mop at the same time. With 100 scrubs per minute, it's going to do an amazing job. Now, what does Matrix clean? So even though I come here, Craig, as you know, all the time showing you mops and vacuum cleaners, and I sort of go up, backwards and forwards, north to south, I don't actually do the clean north to south, east to west, yeah? Now, it's going to dig deeper into your carpets. It's going to have that amazing clean, but it's going to do it all by itself. There's an app which we can map to obviously your phone or your iPad. And by the way, you can use this with Alexa. You can actually tell it to go to work. So I could be at the other side of the country and go, I'm going to get home later. Make sure you clean the house. There's nothing nicer than, you know, waking up to a nice clean house every morning. By the way, it self-empties, and you don't need to empty it for 60 days. So if you've got anybody at home with dust allergies, and of course what the best thing is you can customise your clean. You can do certain rooms in your house, you can do all of your home, and of course it's our latest innovation today. So, talking about that Matrix clean, if I show you here, can you see the lines on the carpet?
Yeah,
so you can actually see the depth of the clean. So,
and this is quite a deep pile rug.
It's a really deep pile cloth. So when you set it to Matrix, it's going to go round the outside and it's going to go north to south, east to west. So you will find that your home is a lot cleaner. Now, I want to talk you through the app.
Yeah.
I've got to say, I'm really scared of technology, and when this first came through, I thought, do you know what, I'm not going to be able to do this, I'll have to get the tech people to come.
Yeah.
It's really simple. So when your vacuum arrives to your home, there's a QR code on the top. Now, I have used one of those because you have to use those in cafes and restaurants so often. You're going to scan that QR, you're then going to Bluetooth it to your device, and then the first thing you're going to do is set it onto it. This is my own from home, so it's a bit easier to show. So what you'll do is it's basically like telling you what to do. So you're going to set it onto an Explorer. In that time, open your doors, move all the things on the floor, your old welly boot and things like that, and then it will then explore all of your home, right? And then it'll go all the way around, it'll turn back to the dock, and then what it will do, because when it said to me that I had to map it, I thought, oh my word, if I've got to put my own sofas and all my furniture, I won't be able to do that.
It does it for you.
It does it all for you. So this is the map of my house.
It creates a map of your home.
So this is my home, and then I thought, do you know what? I want to define that. So if I go on to the next one here, as you can see, I've defined that. You can see now I've got the kitchen, I've got the hallway, and the lounge.
So then you can get it to choose different rooms. So and does it sort of know, you can use it when you're in the house or away from the house, I guess, can't you? But when you're in the house, let it have its space to roam around.
Absolutely. So it'll go through, you can choose what you want it to do. There's a schedule here on as well. So, for example, you can set it to do a clean every day. So you're not vacuuming, you're not mopping. That's your schedule. You've got the days of the week there as well. And I've got to say, if you're using it round your home, obviously as soon as you activate it, you don't need to do, I mean, I do the kitchen, I do the whole of the bottom of the house, but you can select certain rooms.
I think we should get on to seeing some more, because I know we're short on time.
Right.
But obviously that's something you can explore when you've got the app, but it's dead easy, basically.
Right, so we've used it, by the way, on the carpet.
Yeah.
You can use it also on the hard floor. If you've got different levels of flooring in your home, or you want to use it in the hallway, it's got cliff technology, which means you can use it around the home. It's not going to tumble down your steps.
Upstairs, it's not going to fall down the stairs.
Absolutely.
Look, it won't go over the edge.
It won't go over the edge.
Right.
But I want to talk you through the machine. Okay. There we go. Let's go back to the thing. So, obviously, this is your machine here. If I take this out here, right, this is your area where you're going to mop. So you can fill it through here. We suggest 3 parts water, 1 part, obviously, your normal floor solution. When you use this on the bottom, the machine knows it's to mop at the same time, So when that is on the bottom of the machine, if I take that out now, basically, that will just leave it as a vacuum cleaner.
We might need to go to the front table.
Can you see that a bit more?
See things. Yeah.
Okay, so this is your machine here. That fits into the front, so this is where you're going to fill it from.
Yeah.
Okay. And here at the bottom here, is the mop. So when that's in place, it knows that it has to mop, yeah? Now, I've got to say, Craig, once it's cleaned and it goes back to the dock, it's going to empty everything into here.
Okay.
You will not have to empty this for up to 60 days. And if I touch this button here, every 60 days, you just take that over to your dustbin. So if you've got anybody with allergies at home or anything like that. And lastly, the filter is on here. So again, like all our filters, we suggest to just clean it out once a month, give it a quick wash. So you've got the machine.
It mops, it vacuums. You can use it downstairs and upstairs and downstairs. If you're using it on different floors, then it won't map the different floors. But for example, you go upstairs like I would, just get it to a spot clean.
You can put it onto a spot clean. So even though it's on the app, all you need to do is that, like, for example, I take mine up to my bedroom. I use it, press that button here, that's a spot clean, and it will activate the machine. And basically, it will just spot clean any area within your home that needs more intense clean.
And remember, this isn't just vacuuming.
It's mopping.
Is mopping. So it will do your carpets.
It'll do your floors.
Rugs, your laminate floors, your vinyl floors. You pay $499.99 from Shark. Our price is less than $400 on easy payments. Order QVCUK.com.